Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: BufferedReader class in Java character IO streams. Right, so first of all, we'll start with what are IO streams in Java. IO. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream is nothing but flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input stream. So input streams are nothing but reading streams. They will read the data from source into the Java program, and generally the source is keyboard. From keyboard we are going to accept input into the program. Second one, output streams. So output streams are nothing but writing streams. So here we are going to write the data from Java program onto the destination, and generally the destination is output screen or monitor or display. And to work with input streams and output streams, we have java.io package. So in this package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes, using which we can perform reading operations and writing operations efficiently in a Java program. So now coming to the concept of buffered reader class in Java character IO streams. So these Java input output streams are classified into two types. First one, byte streams. So byte streams, they will perform reading and writing operation of data 1 byte at a time in a Java program. Example, input stream abstract class, output stream abstract class and its subclasses. So all these classes comes under byte Java input output streams. And the second one is character streams. So character streams perform reading or writing of data 2 bytes at a time in a Java program. So when you are performing reading writing operations 2 bytes at a time, the advantage is performance of reading operations and writing operations in a Java program increases. And internally, these character streams uses byte streams to perform the reading and writing operations. So coming to the classes, top level base classes under character streams, we have reader class. It is an abstract class which is similar to input stream class, and we have writer class, which is an abstract class similar to output stream class. So all the classes under reader class and writer class comes under character IO streams. So now coming to the concept of buffered reader class. So buffered reader class is a character IO stream, and this class is available in java.io package. So what is the use of this class? So it reads data from temporary character buffer, which is character CB array. So it provides a data member character array CB. So it will read data from temporary character buffer as 2 bytes character data. So what exactly happens when you try to read the data using buffered reader class? So for example, let us say that you are reading the data from a file using buffered reader class. So first data is read from input stream or input reader, which is a file. And second, the data will be, so it will be reading this data from a file to temporary character buffer. And second from there, the data is read into the Java program. So this is how first data will come to the temporary character buffer, and from temporary character buffer the data will come into the Java program. So what is the advantage of this? So for example, if you are reading the data from a file, so from file the data will come to the temporary character buffer, for example. So we are reading file reading. So from file reading the data will come to temporary character buffer, and from temporary character buffer it will come to the Java program, right? So we can read the whole data of a file into the temporary character buffer, and then we can release the file. That file can be used by other purpose in the Java program by other threads, and from temporary buffer we can read the data into the Java program as and when required. So this is the main advantage. So coming to the hierarchy of BufferedReader class. So BufferedReader class is similar to buffered input stream class, and it is inherited from reader abstract class, which is similar to input stream abstract class. So coming to the constructors and methods which are available in this class, if we see the description of this class, java p -p java.io.BufferedReader class, open the command prompt and issue this command in our working directory, right? So in BufferedReader class, it is inherited from reader class. So all the methods of reader class can be used in BufferedReader class and its object. So internally it maintains a temporary buffer, CB character array buffer. So first data will come to character array buffer, and from there it will be read into the program. So now coming to the constructors. So BufferedReader, we have to pass reader object as a parameter to the constructor, and generally we pass file reader because we want to open a file and read the data from a file. And next, BufferedReader reader object, which is file reader, and then int indicates the size of the temporary character buffer. We can also fix the size of it. So coming to the methods, we have read one single character data from a file and return that as a integer. Next, read character array. Next, so this is the important method here, read line, and this method will read one complete line of data and returns that as string. So we are going to use this method to demonstrate a small program reading the data from a file, and then we can close the input stream or input reader. So these are some important methods which are available in BufferedReader class, and all these methods throws IOException. So whenever we are working with these methods, try catch is compulsory, right? So these are the two important constructors and then important methods. So methods throws IOException. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So we'll take a program, BufferedReader class example1.java. So take a new page. First we'll write the comments. Program to open a file and read data from a file using BufferedReader class. So at the beginning of the program, import java.io package. Take the main class with main method, BufferedReader class example1.java. So save this program in our working directory, and then coming to the main method, so we are putting the coding inside a try block and then catch. So this catch exception E, it is capable of catching FileNotFoundException as well as IOException. So if any exception occurs, print exception type and message. Right, so coming to the try block, first we are creating an object of file reader ggg.txt. So initially it will open that file in our Java program. If the file does not exist, we'll get FileNotFoundException. So this is ggg.txt. Hello students, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. All the best. 3 lines. Next, we are creating an object of BufferedReader, and for this BufferedReader we are passing fr, file reader, which is associated with ggg.txt, and then local variable string ss. Next, using while loop, we are going to read line by line data from file reader fr using BufferedReader class method. So while condition goes like this: BufferedReader dot read line. So it will read one line of data from the file and stores that in ss string. And we are checking this ss is not equals to null. Null means nothing or no value. So if it is not equals to null, we are printing this ss in the while loop. So it will read first line, hello students. After that it will read welcome to SriSai IT Hub, and then third line, all the best. Fourth line, so when there is no fourth line, read line method will return null. So ss contains null, null not equals to null, false. When it is false, come out and print and close the BufferedReader and close the file reader. That's it. So save this program, go to the command prompt. Right, so let us compile the program. So BufferedReader class example1.java. Right, no error, and run it. So hello students, welcome to SriSai IT Hub, all the best. So we'll add some data into this file ggg.txt. So all the best, have a nice day. Fourth line, and then goodbye. Right, so total 5 lines, 2 extra lines. So save this program. So we did not do any changes to the program, so simply run the program. So hello students, welcome to SriSai IT Hub, all the best, have a nice day, goodbye. So total 5 lines of data is read from given file using readLine method till it is not equals to null and printing ss. So this is how we are supposed to work with BufferedReader class. So first data from file will come onto the temporary character buffer, which is created automatically for every BufferedReader object in memory, and from there the data will come into our program into the string and print that string. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel SriSai IT Hub. Have a nice day.